Welcome back. Continuing the news. The St. Mary Police are shifting their approach to crime fighting with a focus on engaging young people directly in their communities. Recently, that effort took them to Anota Bay, where the Reach Youth Initiative was officially rolled out. According to the police, the response from residents has been encouraging, with many open and willing to engage.
They really appreciated it. The citizens, they are working close with the officers. We see the partnership, we see that kind of collaboration that is very meaningful. They were very receptive. All the different agencies played a very critical role today, and they have struck up significant partnership today. And we will be seeing a lot of other initiatives coming from today's walkthrough.